We already know about the top-notch AI video creation tool that can rival Sora AI, KLING AI. Now, KLING AI is available on a web platform without requiring a Chinese phone number. Just look at these incredible videos. Aren't they mind-blowing? With KLING AI, the possibilities are endless. So, why wait? Let's jump right in and start creating our own masterpieces. First, go to the website klingai.com. I have placed the link below the description. You need to log in to use it. Create a new account if you haven't registered. We will receive a code. Paste it in and start using it. We will try the AI Images feature. Enter the prompt. You can add reference images, adjust the frame size, or specify the number of images to generate here. Click Generate. To save waiting time, we can create images with a different prompt. KLING has finished creating the images for the first prompt. The images created are very beautiful, natural, and vivid. These are the images created from the second prompt. They are really great. Now we go back and try the AI Videos feature. Enter the prompt and settings. Here we can adjust creativity and frame ratio. The mode and length functions are not yet available. We can generate a new video while waiting. A panda plays guitar by the lake. An astronaut plays with jellyfish on a jellyfish planet, with SpongeBob's pineapple house clearly visible in the background. The astronaut floats among the glowing jellyfish, and the whimsical house adds a touch of fantasy. This time, I will try creating a video from an image. Alien animals, gremlin as mother, critter as father, and their children together, are sitting and eating raw deer. Realistic. While waiting for the video to be created, we will review videos and images created by users. Go back to the videos we have generated. They are wonderful. Wish you a great experience with KLING AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.